Hi, this is Matt with Van Bortle Corvette, back here at the site of our new Corvette showroom here in Macedon. Thought it's been a few months since I did an update, so we'll come back and do another one and show you how the building's starting to take shape. We'll start up front here. This concrete, basically the last concrete wall that was done, this retaining walls actually was poured right before Christmas. This is gonna be the drive-in and lead to our showroom of the building where all our inventory will be. And it'll be the spot where a lot of you will take your first drive in your new Corvette if you pull the building and head home with it. But as you can see here, the whole steel work is just about complete here. The whole structure is as it will look. So it's pretty cool to see that frame in place. I see up here they've done all the sewer lines and some of the underground utilities have started, so those are taking place already. We've been lucky with a pretty mild winter here so far, so it's allowed us to move along pretty well. We'll sort of walk in where the main entry doors will be. You can start to see the cutout right behind that rebar there. So this is where the main entry will be, where you'll walk in the showroom. So basically up to those first line of poles there'll be offices in front of there. Then we'll have some Corvettes on display inside here. As we head to the left, there'll be 4 offices, I believe. This corner over here will be the customer lounge, so if you're coming here for service or waiting, we'll have a nice little hospitality area where you'll sit. And right around here there'll be a door. This will be sort of the entrance to our service area where our service advisor will be, and also our Corvette shops where we'll have there'll be a wall here with cabinets where we have some nice accessories and Corvette merchandise that'll be available now. So if you're looking for a gift or a little something when you're here, we'll have that available now. It's pretty cool. And now I'm standing in what will be the service drive. So when you come for service, you'll pull right into the building here through this door, park your car, and you'll go right inside to our service advisor. And then one of our techs will pull the Corvette back into our shop here. So this space will be our service area. Could be 6 bays plus a flat stall and a alignment rack. And then this half of the building over here, not really half, this quarter, it's actually be our detail shop. So we'll have a nice dedicated separate spot where our details will be. You've got all the Corvettes ready that you're coming in from trade or you're buying. That'll be in this area here. So look back the other way at the shop will be. So basically from these poles to the back line of poles over there, that's gonna be the shop. And in front here will be the detail area. And now we're sort of standing back in the showroom. This will be the new vehicle delivery spot. So it's gonna be a garage door over there, and your car will be sitting here when you're coming to pick it up, and that's where you'll pull it out onto that ramp out front. We'll turn back around. That'll be another view of the showroom up here. Been working a lot of the support braces for the roof. That's been happening this week. So I'm thinking we're probably getting pretty close to starting to get the building closed in. And once the building's closed in, and all the interior work can happen, and concrete can be poured for the floors, and really start to get those finishing details in. Back here, this is gonna be a walkway to get back to the main showroom where all the inventory will be displayed. That'll be that back area. This is sort of this opening where a staircase will be that'll lead you down to the lower level where more of our inventory will be on display. So we'll go down there in a minute. It'll be pretty cool. This whole open space will be packed full of all our Corvette inventory. A few windows over there, and all this will just be a giant open space full of Corvettes. Walk back more down east side. This will all get concrete slab we poured, and then we'll eventually be epoxied when those finishing details. Back in this open area is sort of where the parts department is. We'll have our own dedicated Corvette parts area as well. And that'll be right back here. And we'll go out this garage door. That's where all the service vehicles will go out. You'll go back up front when parking lot when you're ready. And we can walk back down sort of around the building to the lower level. So if you saw the last video, you can remember how deep these concrete walls went. Now that's where the driveway's sort of all at the finishing level now. It'll all get paved in the spring. And we'll work our way out back. More paved parking back here. And here we got the garage door and then an exterior entrance to our lower level. So down here we'll have, basically this will also be packed full of more Corvettes. Another big open area. It'll all be concrete floor and lit up nice, and our way to keep all the Corvettes inside, clean, and presented as they should be. It's been pretty cool to watch this all take shape and fill in. You can really get a feel for what this place looks like. Definitely a incredible piece of work, and pretty incredible watching it all come together. Here's from the bottom of that open staircase. That's when you'll walk down the stairs and be greeted by more Corvettes. Head back out. We can do this quick look at the west side of the building. Bottom view is the retaining wall. So here's next side. You can see how close we are right next to the Chevy store. We'll be here together. Same campus. So next for the building. So you can see how far down, how big this concrete foundation is, and it'll all be buried soon. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I wish you a Happy New Year, and thank you for all the support this year. We're looking forward to some more videos as the building takes shape, and we'll talk to you soon. To learn more about our dealership, please visit vanbordelcorvettes.net.